5 things you definitely must do in order to safeguard and secure your MetaMask wallet. Well, it can't be all that safe because it's a hot wallet. You don't know what a hot wallet is? So, hot wallet is a wallet that's connected to the internet. That means it's prone to hacking. So, what do you do in that case? You store all your cryptocurrency assets in a cold ledger, which is basically not connected to the internet and solely offline, right? If it's like a couple of thousands and you're just doing cryptocurrency experiments, you don't really need a cold wallet. But if you're letting something stake and grow over time, maybe in 6 months it can turn out to be a lot, right? So, you'd want to protect that. So, cold wallet, right? Number 2, though. Okay, so did you know that in a hot wallet or in a cold wallet, your assets are not being stored? Your assets live on the blockchain. So basically, what's being stored is your recovery phrase. That means your passwords, and it's basically data. It's private data that can lead you to where on the blockchain your assets are. That means what a hacker needs to steal is basically your data. So the only data that you have that's connected to your MetaMask wallet is a password and your secret recovery phrase. So make sure a couple of things. First, how do you store it? You should write it down and of course put it in a locker where nobody can find it. If somebody gets their hands on it or if you destroy it, you lose your crypto. Another thing about your secret recovery phrase is you can also connect to scam apps and give your recovery phrase into a... So basically, no app will ask for your recovery phrase. If they do, it's a scam. So please don't fall for it. Number 3, and this is for like real beginners. If you've not downloaded MetaMask yet, or you're trying to download MetaMask for somebody else, please make sure that you download the right MetaMask app, because there are also fake versions of MetaMask, in which case your first transaction, if it's a little bit of a big amount, and if you store it there, you're prone to just getting it hacked because it's a scam app to begin with. So please make sure most of DeFi and cryptocurrencies have a website that ends with IO, so please check it out. And also there are many ways to verify that the app is the right one from the right address. Many sources. Verify against 2-3 different sources. Also for the lazy people, link in the description, just copy paste it and put it somewhere. Number 4. Suppose you are using the in-app MetaMask browser and you used it to connect to an app through the browser, so your wallet's connected. Disconnect it before you leave the browser. Just never leave it connected on that network, because you may just close the browser page and think that your wallet's disconnected. That's not true. Press the disconnected button and then your wallet gets disconnected. Otherwise, if you just close the browser window, it's still connected. And that's... suppose the protocol gets hacked, suppose that network gets hacked, you don't know what can happen, so just don't take that risk. And finally, point number 5 is use MetaMask on your phone. It's kind of safer, and if you have protection and antivirus and a VPN on your phone, it's way easier to maneuver and it's slightly less susceptible, because on a laptop with inadequate security, you're not very sure with what pages you're browsing, where you visited. There's a lot more variety in hacking when it comes to a laptop. It's just easier, all right? I'm not going to get into the technical bits of it because I don't know the technical bits of it, and I'm not going to pretend to know either. It is slightly, at this point, that could not be the case in another 6 months to a year, because DeFi is just relatively new. There's a lot of space for scammy people. But till now, the mobile app is a little safer. If you enjoy more videos on crypto investments, definitely subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so that you know every time I make new videos. And I make new videos every day. Okay, now bye.